guys, so be watching out for a breakout soon. And we have the same scenarios, guys. If it goes up and breaks above, get a retest. We'd see it go into 8100s possibly. We run major support right off this right here, this zone. Boom, boom, boom. Right. We were on this area, right, before it rocketed up, and I said it was gonna have major resistance right at this area at 110. Right. So basically now we're still in a downtrend overall on a daily. Once we break this this previous high at 111 area, then we could see a retest and continue up. As you see, guys, USD has been like in this this zone for a while now, since April. So boom, shoots up off this support, hits the supply zone, boom, shoots down, boom, hits this demand zone, supply zone, demand zone, potential supply zone. So you guys got to watch out for that. That's definitely an opportunity that you should capitalize on if it presents itself. You got to go a little more in depth with the analysis. I'm gonna just go over it daily. So guys, basically if it breaks 111, we can see a continuation to the high to 112, 500 potentially, and then we'll go from there.
What's going on, guys? Miguel here, back with another video. Man, guys, it's been a crazy few weeks, but I don't know if you guys are aware, but I am in Florida. We did get hit with the hurricane. My area didn't get that affected, but I did end up being safe about it and flying out of here for a few weeks. So I did that. That's why I haven't posted on the channel, didn't have my equipment, stuff like that. So I just wanted to come over and make this analysis video for you guys because I wanted to show you guys how crazy forex can be once you know what you're looking for, what you're trying to find in the markets. So before this analysis, I showed you guys the before, of where price was on AUDUSD. Price was right here, and I was saying if it broke the highs, it was gonna go to 8100, guys, to 8100. Are you serious, bro? Are you serious? 8100. So and that's what was my target, you know what I mean? And then as soon as it hit 8100, guys, it started tanking, like dropping, like it came back, retested, made a double top looking structure, and then just tanking. Shit's crazy. All right, and then that's the before on AUDUSD, and then obviously you guys saw the before on USD guys. Shit's so clean. Like literally from the before, I said boom, 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 and then I said a potential rise. So it was going within the zone as explained in the previous video. If you guys haven't seen the full video, go check it out. There is another pair I'm not going to recap on, but it did play out exactly. I just didn't want to make this video too long, to be honest. These two pairs were more solid than the other pair as well. So it hit the stops, basically meaning like it was trying to get people who actually got it right, and it also hit our zone at 107,500. So it wicked our zone, and it stayed on this demand zone, and then it just rocketed up. It's literally from where we were talking about it right here in this area, 110 area. I mean, if you saw the previous video, you would have caught it from this bottom zone, but the previous video we were at 110 area. So from the 110 area, that's 300 pip rise. That's a fucking lot of pips, guys, just on a rise. And then if you caught it from the previous video that we made, it's literally a 500 pip rise. That's insane. That's like a lot of pips. And I have the before video and the after video, so like you guys can't say that I didn't show you guys. I didn't give you guys the opportunity, right, with the analysis videos. So from where we are now, it's a really high possibility that we may see it hit our supply zone, like a high possibility. From there, we'd have to see if it rejects and continues back down, or if it breaks above and it continues up to the upside. But as of now, we're 120, 27 pips, 120, 27 pips. From our target overall. I mean, from the supply zone. You just gotta break it down with everything else. But I hope you guys are really enjoying these analysis videos, And then leave me some feedback. Did you guys see the videos? Did you guys enjoy it? Is this something that you guys enjoy? Because this is wild. Like 2 pairs, you know what I mean? Like to the pip on this one, 8100, and then the USDJPY was 500 pip rise from the zone. It's insane, but definitely look out for USDJPY to hit the supply zone potentially, as long as everything plays out, building up to it. Here's a couple scenarios that we have for USDJPY, but as of now I do strongly feel like it'll hit that zone at the top, supply zone at 114,500 area. So as long as it doesn't break below the previous lows, respects to 111,514 areas, like right there, it's good to keep going up, especially as it just broke 112,500. If we get a candle close, we could potentially see it retrace. I don't know when it's gonna close. Actually, the daily candle has to close. So once the daily candle closes, then we can see potentially rise like that, right? But as of now, it's strongly bullish. I wouldn't be looking for pullbacks yet until we see the pullback, obviously. So we just need to wait for the pullback and then re-entry potentially. As long as it respects this previous low, 111,500 area, we're good to go for buys on UJ. But overall, it's been trending up to the upside for a little while now. So definitely, if you were in the trade at all, secure your bag or move your stops. With AUDUSD, and I'm jumping back and forth, but it's just crazy. AUDUSD is beautiful, man. Like literally. All right, so now what I'm expecting on AUDUSD is eventually, once it stops out maybe at this low right here, a pullback, right? Could even hit our major again, but possibly to like right here, just because it's an area where price had a lot of trouble, and then we could see a drop, right? So once we see that, then this is going to be a solid setup for this week or this coming weeks. Definitely look out for that, for a continuation of the downside with AUDUSD. And that's all I'm going to analyze today, just because I don't want to make it too too many pairs. A lot of people that are new to the markets, they try and go over 100 pairs, whatever, and it's not even necessary, you know what I mean? So definitely hope you guys enjoyed this video. Be sure to like, share, and subscribe if you're new, and I'll see you in the next one. Peace.